Hello students. So I am going to solve a question from NET December 2023, and in this question we have four distinguishable particles. Okay, so we have four distinguishable particles and they are filled in energy levels 0, E and 2E, and we have to calculate the microstates when total energy is 4E. So let us make this, let us make levels. So 1, 2 and 3 energy levels are given, 0, E and 2E, and we have four particles A, B, C and D, distinguishable particles. Total energy we have to get 4, so I can put it like this, A, B, C, D, and this can be done in 4C4, which is equal to only one way, okay? Because this will not be counted if you just switch them within the energy level, that is not counted as the microstates, okay? Now, if you want to write in another way, if I take AB here, it is already 4E energy, and then I can put in 0 energy level, so I can put CD here. So I can write this as 4C2, out of 4 we have to select 2, then remaining out of 2 we have to select 2. So this will be 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 1. So this is 4 into 3 into 2 upon 2 into 2. So this is equal to 6. And then what we can do? I can put one particle here, 2E energy, two particles here, 2E and 2E, 4E, and one particle here. So I can write this as 4C1 here. Then 1 is gone. Out of 3 I have to select 2. Now 3 gone. So out of 1 I have to select 1. Okay. So now this will be 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial into 3 factorial upon 1 factorial into 2 factorial into 1. So this will be 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. So this is gone and this is 12. So 12, 6, 18 and 1, 19. So number of microstates is 19. So this is very straightforward if you want to see the combinations. It is very easy, and because I am taking the combination because once you decide B and C, then CB will not work within that energy level, that will not work. Okay, so such questions are very common in NET exam, and for more such questions just subscribe our channel so that you get the notification in time. Thank you.